Sheffield's heritage is manufacturing and it's steel, and that's never changed. And it's allowed it to survive through what have been some very difficult times. Make Where We Sell is really about making sure that we manufacture in market. If we look in the UK here, we make our blades, we make our chisels, which the tradesman can recognise instantly, and can also recognise instantly that the quality is going to be behind them because of the manufacturing location.
I'm Steve Ashworth. I run 2 manufacturing units within the factory, injection moulding and chisel manufacture. I am proud of everything we produce out of that factory and have always been. I think because you're building this community within the workforce and the fact that they manufacture the products where they actually sell them, it means that we're getting the quality product coming out of our local factories.
The world in which we work in, joinery, furniture making, has become really high technology. In many ways, it has made the use of hand tools even more important. Making where you sell, it's a good idea. And I think that actually you're better off making close to your customers where you can understand them and make things for them. I'm very much a proud Yorkshireman. It's really important to me, the provenance, if you like.
The legacy of Sheffield holds a special place in a lot of people's hearts.
Well, I'm excited about the fact that Stanley Black+decker are employing more local people. Make Where We Sell means that we're growing the business here in the UK. I'm proud, excited and proud about it. The future looks bright.